everyone. Donna Bush here with your CID television news brief on this Friday. A new commanding officer for the Cayman Islands Regiment has been appointed. Following an open recruitment process that attracted a broad field of excellent candidates, a press release from the Office of His Excellency Governor Martin Roper announces the appointment of Colonel Roger Carter of Trinidad and Tobago as the new head of the Cayman Islands Regiment. Colonel Carter comes from a wealth of experience and significant humanitarian and disaster relief expertise, including his appointment as Assistant Chief Staff Officer of Operations at the National Military Headquarters, where he was responsible for joint, interagency, and multinational operations, as well as management of the interagency counterterrorism team in Trinidad. He was defense and military attaché to Washington, D.C., with accreditation to Canada and the head of delegations to the Inter-American Defense Board from 2018 to 2021. His Excellency Governor Roper shared a welcome to Mr. Carter and sends a thank you to the current commander.
I believe Colonel Carter will be a great asset to the regiment as it continues to grow. His significant regional experience will be a great advantage to Cayman. My thanks, of course, go to Lieutenant Colonel Watson for strong progress made in setting the regiment up from scratch with UK training and assistance, particularly during the global pandemic. That was a really significant achievement. The regiment adds value to Cayman's humanitarian and disaster relief efforts, providing additional resilience to our emergency services in so many ways, including clearing roads, delivering first aid, desalinating seawater, and being able to feed hundreds of people using a self-sufficient solar-powered kitchen.
Commander Roger Carter will start his new post with the Cayman Islands Regiment on April the 1st.
Hello, everybody. Did you miss me?
Also making our headlines this Friday, each year adult clients and staff of the Sunrise Adult Training Center showcases months of hard work in the form of a musical show for everyone to enjoy. Their take on Aladdin is now available to watch. You can watch the 2022 production on CIG television on Saturday, March 4th and Monday, the 6th of March at 7 p.m. and then again on Thursday, the 9th of March at 8 p.m. here on CIG television. Turning to our forecast for this Friday night, we can expect partly cloudy skies with a 20% chance of showers. Seas will be rough with wave heights of 4 to 6 feet, while small craft operators should exercise caution over open waters. The two-day outlook is for slight to moderate easterly winds and seas by Saturday night as the pressure gradient weakens across our area. The synopsis, meantime, calls for fresh southeasterly winds and rough seas, which are expected over the next 24 hours across the three Cayman Islands as the pressure gradient tightens over the Northwest Caribbean region. Now remember to check out the weatherservices.ky website and the Cayman Islands Weather Services Facebook page for more details on local weather. That's it for today's news brief here on CIG television. I'm Donna Bush, as always, thanking you for joining us this week and wishing you a wonderful and safe weekend.
The Esterly-Tibbetts Highway 3-lane roundabout is ready for drivers. It's time to make sure you know how to use it. First, know which exit you need to take. Pay attention to lane arrows and signs. Make sure you use your signal to change lanes or exit the roundabout. To turn left, you always approach in the left-hand lane and indicate left. To drive straight ahead, you need to be looking out for signs and road markings indicating which lane to use. Get in one of the lanes marked with a straight-through arrow. If turning right, you must use the right-hand lane and indicate accordingly. To use the roundabout safely, remember these 3 tips. Know your exit, pick your lane, and signal to make your turn.